Hello and welcome to SocialSafe, your office renovation and maintenance partner in Dubai. We provide complete renovation services such as floor, wall, and ceiling works, including mechanical, electrical, air conditioning, and plumbing services. Right from our company's inception in 2016, we remain focused on clients' satisfaction and providing best value for money. In addition to the fit-out and renovation, we also undertake complete building maintenance that includes complex air conditioning and ventilation systems, such as chiller units, central air conditioning systems, pump room works, etc. We are qualified, experienced, and cost-effective in providing best fit-out solution for your company. Our workforce comprises professionals from all disciplines such as marble installer, painter, plumber, ceiling experts, AC technicians, electricians, chiller specialists, and all other designations that are required to deliver complete renovation and maintenance solutions in Dubai. We perform complete wiring for each individual and common desks to have wired connectivity across the area. We also provide automation solutions such as air conditioning, lighting, security systems that enable you to manage your office from anywhere in the world. We are conveniently located in your favorite business area. Yes, the Business Bay, Dubai. You can reach us 24/7 on our WhatsApp or call us, and we'll be right there to assist you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.